Whether you're choosing a new kitchen or updating your current one, B&Q have some really simple storage solutions and ideas to make your life easier, making your kitchen not only look good, but work beautifully too. Around your hob and cooker, you need quick access to your pots and pans, as well as your baking trays and cake tins. There's a selection of drawers available, either to fit under or around your appliances. A dedicated drawer just for kids' plastic plates and cups works really well. Keeping your glasses in a cupboard above the sink makes life easier. And under the sink here we have a brilliant pull-out detergent store, so there's no digging around underneath to find what you need. If you're pressured for room, then how about this ingenious pull-out ironing board? Of course, using every bit of space available is paramount, so there are things like corner cupboard carousels and larder units available too. Pop into your local store or visit our website to view our full range of storage solutions, or book a consultation with us to help you create your dream kitchen.